Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show this look. This is a very bold lip look. So I saw Kim Kardashian launching a new lipstick and she was wearing this kind of look, so I was so much inspired with this look. So also today I'm going to show you how I like to layer up cream products in winter, how I like to do the makeup for winter. So if you want to know all about this, then keep on watching. And also if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. So I have been using this mask. This is the Pomegranate mask by the Face Shop. This moisturizes my face very nicely and it leaves a very moisturized skin. Next I'm going to wait for some time so that the moisturizer dries up a little bit on my face. So I don't need a moisturizer anymore. Next I am going to move into primer. So I'm going to use this very hydrating primer. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It is like a moisturizer plus primer. It gives a very even surface finish to your face, and it is going to last you long because you need very little bit of the product. Next I'm going to move into foundation. So I'm going to use this Smashbox Studio Skin Finish foundation, and it is in that shade 3.35. Next I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend the foundation. This foundation is very lightweight. It is a hydrating foundation, and it gives a very good coverage, and you need very little bit of the product. So I love this foundation for winter season or whenever I feel like my skin is feeling dry. Next I'm going to move into concealer. I'm going to use this Makeup Forever full cover concealer. This is going to give the extra coverage I need. This is a very good concealer. So I'm going to apply it on the areas I need a little bit of more coverage, and it is in the shade number 12. So I'll make sure the foundation and the concealer is blended nicely. Now my face has become totally flat, one single shade it has become, so I need to add some shadow. So certain parts of the face I want to highlight, and for certain parts of the face I need to add some shadow. So I'm going to use this SEPHORA Highlight Lowlight Cream Contour in the shade 10. This one has a contour shade and a highlighting shade. So first I'm going to take the contour shade to add some contour to my face. And also I'm going to contour my nose and also my jawline. Next I'm going to take the highlighter shade and add some highlighting. In the center portion of my face. So now the cream product is done. Next I'm going to move into the powder product. I'm going to use this Makeup Forever HD powder. Before setting it with powder, I'm gonna use my beauty blender to remove any crease I'm having and set my under eyes. This is a translucent powder, so it does not have any color, and this powder is very magical. It gives a flawless finish to your skin, and since it does not have any color, so I can go over on all the areas of my face. Next, to bronze up my face, I'm gonna take this Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Then I'm gonna take a small flat brush to contour my nose. Next, to highlight my face, I'm gonna take this SEPHORA powder. This is the SEPHORA Mattifying Compact Foundation Powder. So I'm gonna use this on the areas wherever I have put highlighter. I mean wherever I put the lighter shade. So next I'm gonna move into brows. For brows, I'm gonna go over these two products. One is L'Oreal Brow Artist Xpert in the shade Ebony, and another is Colorbar Brow Pencil in the shade Chestnut. The Colorbar one is a little bit warmer and the L'Oreal one is a little bit cooler, so I'm gonna use a combination of both these two and create my brows. To set my brows, I'm gonna use this Body Shop Clear Brow Gel. Next, I'm going to take this Lakme Absolute Liquid Concealer to clean up my brows. Next, I'm going to take this JACLYN Heel Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Ring the Alum. Taking the shade Rust, I'm going to first define my crease. Same shade I'm going to take for my lower lash line also. So to deepen up my crease, I'm going to take the shade Secret and try to make a V. So the shade Secret, I'm going to put it for my lower lash line, only to the outer corners. Next, I'm going to put this Hyper Curl Mascara for my upper and lower lashes. Next, I'm going to use this blush by Hoola. This is GALifornia. So I'm going to put this blush on the apples of my cheeks. This is a very beautiful corally shape, pinky coral shade blush. For highlighter, I'm gonna use this Bobbi Brown highlighter in the shade Bronze Glow. So I'm gonna put this highlighter on the usual areas wherever I like to put my highlighter. You guys know the drill. For my lips, I'm gonna use this Faces Canada lip contour, and it is in the shade Maroon. For my lips, I'm going to use this Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD lipstick. This is the Intense Matte Lipstick Primer in the shade Crushed Berry. So yeah, next I'm going to pop some lashes and get back to you with the finished look. So this is the finished look. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then,